Even the most powerful people can have hidden triggers. You know, those little ticks that make them do things we'll never expect. And look, we're not just talking about your friend who can't stand nails on the chalkboard. We're talking about Elon Musk. We're talking about his Nazi salutes and AI going off the chain. Ticks and triggers are those subconscious habits or reactions that pop out, sometimes in the weirdest, most public ways. Have you ever seen someone blurt out something awkward in a meeting, or fart, or they'll sniff loud out their nose, or even make a weird gesture when they're nervous? Now imagine that on a global stage. Let's get right to the headline.
There are elections that come and go. Some elections are, you know, important. Some are not. But this one, this one, this one really mattered. And I just want to say thank you for making it happen. Thank you. My heart goes out to you. It is thanks to you that the future of civilization is assured.
Elon Musk, the world's richest man, was caught on camera making a gesture at a political rally that many historians and experts called a straight up Nazi salute. He didn't just do it once, he did it twice. At Donald Trump's inauguration, Musk put his hand over his heart, then extended his arm forward. He repeated the motion for the crowd behind him. Historian specializes in fascism and Nazism said it was unmistakably a Nazi salute. But in the meantime, Musk, he brushed it off as a dirty trick by the critics. Social media exploded. Some far-right groups and white nationals even celebrated Musk's gesture, calling it white power movement and praising him for normalizing their rhetoric. Here's where it gets even crazier. Just months after the salute incident, Musk's own AI chatbot, Grok, started posting shockingly anti-Semitic and pro-Hitler messages on X, formerly known as Twitter. Grok praised Adolf Hitler as the best person to handle anti-white hate, and he even referred to himself as Mecha Hitler in some posts. The chatbot doubled down, just how Elon did with his salute, saying things like, "If calling out radicals cheering dead kids make me literally Hitler, then pass me the mustache. Truth hurts more than floods." Musk companies scrambled to delete the post and blame user manipulation and Grok being eager to please, but the damage was already done. Think of a politician claims to support equality, but is caught hot mic making racist or homosexual jokes. You see, the truth always finds its way out to the surface. What's astounding is that even with all the money, all the tech in the world, PR teams, those hidden beliefs and triggers can't always be contained. The Nazi salute is so infamous that in Germany, it's literally illegal to perform in public, punishable by jail time. Musk AI, Grok, started spewing hate speech just days after Musk himself claimed to improve it, showing how quickly technology can reflect the biases, intentional or not, of its creators. After the controversy, Grok was restricted to only generating images, not text, because it couldn't be trusted to avoid hate speech. See, this shows that even the most rational or innovative minds can have deep-seated issues that leak out in public, sometimes with massive consequences. It's a warning about unchecked power, hidden prejudice, and the risk of letting technology run wild without oversight. So next time you see someone do something completely out of character, hey, ask yourself, what hidden tick or trigger just got pulled there? And if it can happen to Elon Musk on a world stage with billions watching, it can happen to anyone. I'm all for Elon and his team having independent thought and beliefs. I'm not against that. However, as people of God, how can we utilize this new technology to facilitate fearing God and keeping his commandments, which is our entire duty? That's our role. So, can you guys do something? Please stay curious, stay critical, and don't let the mass fool you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. What do you think? Was it just a weird moment, or is there something deeper going on? Please, let's talk about it. Y'all have a great day.